Welcome to this tutorial on how to create your virtual student ID at Chemeketa Community College. To create your virtual student ID, you'll need to provide the following information: your MyChemeketa student email address and password, a photograph of yourself, a photograph of your government-issued ID for proof of identity. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to complete this process on your smartphone. You can also complete this process using a computer. To get started, open a web browser on your smartphone and go to studentid.chemeketa.edu. You'll be presented with a login screen. Enter your username at my.chemeketa.edu. Tap the next icon. Then enter your MyChemeketa password and tap the Sign In icon. To get started, you'll upload your photo. Select the menu icon in the top right corner. A menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Tap Photo Upload. Then tap Manage Photo. The Take Your ID Photo page will appear. A pop-up may appear asking for permission to use your camera. Tap Allow. You will see a list of requirements for your photo. Make sure to fulfill all these requirements, or your photo may be declined and will have to be resubmitted. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see the selfie camera. Align yourself with the outline shown on screen. When ready, tap the camera icon on the lower left of the selfie image. This will take your picture and auto-upload it. It will take a few moments to complete. If you prefer, you can use a picture from your photo gallery instead. To do this, tap the slider on the bottom of the page. This will switch you to camera roll mode. You will see the selfie image disappear and an option to upload a JPEG or PNG file. Tap either option. Once tapped, a small menu will appear. Tap Photo Library, then select the image you want. Once selected, that image will be uploaded. It will take a few moments to complete. Once your photo has been uploaded, you will see a new page showing the photo you have chosen. Tap the Next button to move on to the next step, uploading your government-issued ID. Next, you'll need to upload your proof of identity. The government-issued ID page will appear. You will see a Tap to Upload Your Photo option appear in the middle of the screen. Tap either the JPG or JPEG or PNG option. Once tapped, a small menu will appear. Tap any of the options that appear. You can select Photo Library if you happen to have an image of your ID already, or Take Photo to snap an image of your ID. Once an image is selected or a photo taken, that image will be uploaded. It will take a few moments to complete. Next, you will see both images you just took or uploaded appear on the page. Tap Change Photo if you need to redo one of these images, or tap Submit to complete your submission. You will be returned to the main page. Shortly after completing your submission, you should receive an email stating that your information is being reviewed. Please allow up to 48 hours to receive confirmation that your photos have been accepted. Once you receive a confirmation, you can view your virtual ID on your smartphone or other device. To view your virtual student ID, follow these steps. To get started, open a web browser on your smartphone and go to studentid.chemeketa.edu. Select the menu icon in the top right corner. A menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Tap Virtual ID. You will now see your virtual ID. You can also tap the flip icon to show your library ID. For questions or support, please contact the Chemeketa Student Life Office in Building 2, Room 176 on the Salem campus, or by calling 503-399-5116. You can also email studentid@chemeketa.edu for support.